If you need to collect file uploads from clients using a form, and you want the fastest, cleanest way to do it, this quick tutorial is for you. I've tested all the major options out there, and I'll show you exactly how to set it up in minutes using software that just works. No fluff, no confusion. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share a few tricks to avoid common upload issues and show you how to get a free exclusive trial that's only available through my channel. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log in to the software we'll be using. Link is in the description below if you want to follow along with the exclusive free trial for Dan Thorne viewers. Once you're inside the dashboard, hit Create New Form. Give your form a name your client will recognize, like Upload Project Files or Client Intake Documents. Now, drag in a KAI File Upload field. This is the key to collecting documents, images, PDFs, whatever you need. You can adjust settings to accept specific file types or set size limits, which is super useful if you're dealing with large videos or design files. Add any extra fields you need, like name, email, project description. Just drag and drop them in. These give you context so you know what each file is for. Want to make it even smoother for your client? Go into the Settings tab and toggle on Auto Confirmation. This sends a quick, "Thanks, we got your files" message after they hit submit. If you're worried about storage, the software we're using integrates with cloud services like Google Drive and Dropbox. Just connect your account, and uploaded files will go straight into the right folder. No need to download and re-upload manually. Once you're happy with the form, hit Publish All and share the link with your client. You can also embed the form on your website if you'd rather keep everything in one place. Now here's a quick bonus. Under the Notifications tab, set up an email alert so you get pinged the second someone submits a file. That way you're not constantly checking the dashboard. Set it once and forget it. Let's do a quick recap. 1. Create a new form inside the software. 2. Add a file upload field and customize the settings. 3. Add supporting fields for name, email, or project info. 4. Turn on auto confirmation so your clients get an instant response. 5. Connect to Google Drive or Dropbox for automatic storage. 6. Set up email notifications for instant alerts. 7. Share or embed the form. Done. The key takeaway? If you want to collect file uploads from clients without tech headaches or back and forth emails, a smart form builder like the software we used is the best tool. It's fast, professional, and takes just a few clicks to set up. If you found this helpful, take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description. It's only available through my channel and lets you follow along with zero risk. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.